MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Mark, we're stood in front of a titanium blisk, and I understand you have a new strategy developed between Technicut and Delcam.
Yes, we have. It's a world-beating strategy in terms of our object was to make blisks quicker than they are in the marketplace today. I've employed a strategy using Delcam software, Delcam's program expertise, and Technicut's range of innovative tooling.
And in terms of the tooling, what tooling is being offered?
These are very highly specialised solid carbide tools of different shapes, but the shape that makes the process work is called the barrel milling process, shape as a barrel.
And how does using a barrel cutter, how does that help reduce cycle times?
It allows us to cut deeper, it allows us to get closer to the aerofoil sections, and in doing so leaves a far even surface for the finishing process.
Can we use the barrel cutter in the finishing process as well as roughing?
Yes, we do. We use a barrel finishing tool to finish the blades off as far as we can.
And what would you estimate the typical saving to be?
The typical saving on a blisk of this size here would be around about 50%, and probably 50% tooling cost saving as well.
And finally, how do you find working with Delcam?
I think working with Delcam is a fantastic experience. The innovations that they bring to the marketplace and allow us to bring our tool into the marketplace is a revelation.
Robin, Delcam offer many market-leading products, but Power Mill Robot, it's new to me. I know the clue's in the name, but how does it work?
Okay, so Power Mill Robot is effectively our new kid on the block. It allows us to treat a robot as a CNC machine tool.
Okay, so how about anti-collision?
Yeah, there's comprehensive anti-collision available on there, so that what you see is what you get. There are no surprises at the robot.
And would it be as easy to program as maybe a machining centre?
Yeah, that's very much our philosophy at Delcam. We're looking to treat a robot as another machine tool, so yes.
Okay, so I get myself a model, I import it into this, and out comes the program.
That's exactly it. You load in the model, you create the toolpath, you select your robot cell, you may have more than one, you create the simulation, you write it in the language of the robot. Done.
Sanjay, FeatureCam 2016, what's new?
So we had a range of different functionality, and this was delivered new for September's release. This is 2016 R1. So we have a range of different enhancements. We're starting off with various improvements to the user interface, just generically improving the workflow user's experience. We then have the ability to create setups directly inside the feature wizard. We also have add-ins. These are to help users import generic vices and align them, as well as working with some of Delcam's other products such as PowerShape to enable some nesting functionality.
What's new for PowerShape 2016 is we have new functionality with reverse engineering. We can now connect to multiple different hardware devices and scan directly into PowerShape. We've created multiple speed-ups, so it's much quicker to draw, undraw, wireframe a solid, solo a level. And we can also now build up primitives, be that solid or surfaces, using a hardpoint probe, or by using a scanned mesh and using mouse clicks on there. We also have new functionality that was released in the last 12 months, where we can automatically fit perfect arcs and straight lines to composite curves or curves that have been created through sections through a mesh. So this is massively going to speed up and make the process a lot easier of reverse engineering. So what I'm going to do now is just connect to this scanner. Okay. So this is the Creaform Go scan, which has been lent to us this week very kindly by one of our local resellers. And this is an Autodesk Evo concept car. So all I need to do is point directly at the car and it's picking up a point cloud there. So it's doing a best fit, it doesn't require any targets, and it can also do colour mapping as well. So once I've done that, I can create a triangle model. Okay, so it's a point cloud at the moment. Triangle model is created, and then I can import it directly into PowerShape and start fitting surfaces to that.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.